you think expert financial advice is needed at various turning points in your life? When you have a child, when you get a promotion, when you buy a property? We have investment expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Mr. Hariharan, could you please explain why a financial planner is needed to achieve financial freedom?
A lot of people also ask this question that if I want to invest, why should I look at an advisor to invest? Why can't I go to an online digital platform and do the investment myself? You can do that. Operationally, you can do that. But please remember, wealth creation, according to me, requires two important elements. One is discipline, continuity of investment, and two, the right emotional behavior. And behavior is one of the most critical elements in determining whether somebody will make money or not. Formula is the same for everyone. You keep investing for long periods of time, you will make money. And preferably when the markets are low, you buy more, you will definitely make money. The formula is the same. Each one of us know about this. But the challenge is, how many of us continue investments for long periods of time? And there are very interesting data points that the industry body has shared with us. Handful of investors stay invested for long periods of time, and those are the people who have created wealth. Those are the people who have achieved financial freedom. And therefore, it's very important to have a coach, a mentor, a guide with all of us. So just like in the Mahabharata, you had Arjuna and Krishna. Arjuna, when he came to the battlefield, was full of energy, passion, enthusiasm. He wanted to ask, who all have come to fight against me? Let me see. And he tells Krishna, take me to the center. I want to see. But when he goes there, he sees his own relatives. He suddenly becomes emotional, he becomes sentimental. And that emotions play on his mind. He drops his Gandiva, which is his bow. He sits down. He says, I can't think of anything. Hey Krishna, take me out of this battlefield. I don't want to fight it. Even in investments, when investors start SIP, they invest with a 25, 30, 40-year time horizon. They are also as enthusiastic as Arjuna. But the moment they say a fall in the market, 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, for 2 years, no returns, they also become emotional like Arjuna. They say, I don't want to stay in this battle. I don't want to stay in these investments. Let's come out of it. And that is where you need a coach, you need a guide like Krishna to mentor you, to tell you that it is important for you to stay in this investment. Such things will keep happening, but you will definitely win is important. And you need somebody to guide you. As human beings, emotions play a lot of things in our mind. It does not allow us to stay invested. Therefore, somebody else is there to motivate, to push us, just like Krishna did. That if you leave this battlefield and run away, history will remember you as a coward. But if you fight it out, and even if you lose, history will remember you as a warrior. And there's no question of losing. I know you will win. That is where the coach comes. That is where people like Ramlingam will come, who will keep telling you, don't remove, sir, don't remove, keep adding, keep adding. It's not for this benefit, it's for your benefit. Krishna did not have anything to win in this entire Mahabharata. Right? So please remember, take the help of a financial coach, very important. And that's how you achieve the financial freedom. Just to sort of summarize, have these 4 things in mind. We started with goal as very critical element, very important to invest as per your financial goals. Keep investing regularly. If opportunity presents in the market, do a top up, do additional investments, create an emergency corpus, have adequate insurance. And once you've done all of these, you can also achieve financial freedom. Right? The ability to do anything that you want without really worrying about money and finances.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.